is Mike Sawatsky from North Country Cycle and Sports. We're out here on Lac today and we're gonna head out to a lake trout lake. So I thought I'd take a little different chariot for my ride today. Let me show you this. Right here, this is an RMK EVO that we have put the LXT rack and 2-up seat on. We'll show you a video later with this with 2 passengers. We've already tested it out and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So this has electric start, reverse, a 1.75 inch track that's 144 long. This is just that perfect machine for someone who wants to get out there and do a little ice fishing. So as you can see, the EVO RMK might be the perfect sled for you for your next ice fishing adventure. If you'd like to learn more about this product, give us a call at 807-622-0001. Check us out on the web at www.northcountrycycle.ca or drop a comment in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for checking this out.